Are you looking for the best car ramps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car ramps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the RhinoGear RhinoRamps. These ramps earn our editor's pick designation for their affordable pricing, excellent owner reviews, and an array of added features and functionalities that create value. Built by a reputable name in car care and maintenance products, Rhino ramps are highly portable, very strong, relatively light, and nestable into one another, which improves portability and saves space in your workshop or garage. A non-skid surface is applied to both the tread surface of the ramps, as well as their underside, to prevent slipping, improve safety, and make for easier use. These ramps can support 12,000-pound gross vehicle weight capacities, and are compatible with tires up to 9 inches wide. The 17-degree incline makes them nicely compatible with low clearance or lowered vehicles, too. A handful of owners have reported these ramps failing when used the first time. So for safety, always support the vehicle by an alternative means when working beneath it, and be sure to test the ramps by driving on and off of them a few times before proceeding to work beneath. Up next in the 4th place is the Rage Powersports Sports Car Service Ramp, ideal for working on or displaying a low-clearance sports car. These metal ramps are slim, tough, and promise to provide 7 inches of lift to even the lowest sports cars and show cars. Made of solid aluminum, they're stronger than their lightweight leads on, and feature a 3,000-pound capacity. The long length of these ramps facilitates low-clearance vehicles, but may reduce portability. In any case, the sports car service ramps are specifically designed and engineered for low-clearance applications, and owner reviews reveal many happy sports car owners who use the ramps regularly to work on or show off their vehicles. The 3rd product on our list is the Nikki Nice Solid Steel Auto Ramp. These solid steel ramps from Nikki Nice feature a strong 6,500-pound weight rating, durable powder coat finish, and both safety ribs and punch traction holes for added safety and durability. Popular for use on a variety of cars and trucks, they provide the confidence of all steel construction and plenty of lift. Affordable pricing and good owner reviews help add peace of mind. Owner reviews report satisfaction and use on cars, trucks, minivans, and SUVs, though some owners note that these ramps may be too steep for use with smaller, lower vehicles. And there's no anti-slip treatment, so mount and dismount from the ramps carefully, and ideally with a spotter. Second on our list is the Race Ramps Rally Ramps. These lightweight ramps are strong, highly portable, and very easy to use. Solid construction ensures maximum strength and a long life. And as the name implies, they're designed for use by sports and performance car owners. Low clearance vehicles are no problem, and the rally ramps feature a unique texture that prevents them from scooting, shifting, or scratching floors beneath. Built-in handles make them easy to move from your garage to your trunk, and a 6,000-pound weight rating means even larger cars will pose no problem. With the built-in handle and no fuss, no slip construction, these ramps go from your trunk to supporting your car, lickety-split. They're compatible with tires up to 8 inches wide, and largely positive owner reviews round out the package. Finally, the top product on our list is the BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. BISupply's Vehicle Service Ramp Set is made of heavy-duty plastic and can also handle vans, SUVs, and pickup trucks, as each ramp in the set can hold up to 4,000 pounds. The ramps lift vehicles up to 6.3 inches off the ground, which is enough clearance for you, your tools, the supplies, and room to work. Each ramp is 11.5 inches wide to accommodate extra wide wheels, and while they are strong, they're also light, making carrying around in the shop a breeze. The ramp's surface is textured for great traction, and the pads on the undersides prevent the ramps from skidding across the floor of your work area. However, the design of these ramps works best on a flat, clean floor. Also, you won't find any specification markings on the ramps such as weight capacity. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.